Foundation is the essential first step in any makeup routine. It creates a smooth, even canvas for everything else you apply. The right foundation enhances your natural beauty, not hides it. A good match makes your skin look like its best self, radiant and confident. Choosing the right foundation is personal and important. The wrong shade or formula can look unnatural or feel uncomfortable, but the right one blends seamlessly, evening out your skin tone without masking it. Foundation can subtly cover imperfections and reduce redness, giving your complexion a healthy glow. You don't need to hide every freckle, just unify your skin's overall tone. This lets your best features, like your eyes and lips, stand out. For centuries, people have sought a flawless base. Today, we have more choices than ever before. There's a perfect foundation for everyone. Mastering this step elevates your entire makeup routine. Once you find your match, you'll see how foundation transforms your look. It's your secret weapon for a polished, put-together appearance. Foundation is about feeling your best every day. Let's discover how to find your perfect base. Before choosing a foundation, you need to know your skin type. This determines how a product will look and feel on your face. There are 4 main types: oily, dry, combination, and sensitive. Oily skin looks shiny and may cause makeup to slide off. Dry skin can feel tight or flaky, and foundation might cling to patches. Combination skin has both oily and dry areas, often an oily T-zone and dry cheeks. Sensitive skin reacts easily, so gentle formulas are key. To find your type, wash your face, wait an hour and observe. Shiny all over? Oily? Tight or flaky? Dry. Oily T-zone only. Combination: red or itchy? Sensitive. Understanding your skin helps you choose products that work with it, not against it. This knowledge is the foundation of a healthy skincare and makeup routine. A healthy canvas makes for beautiful makeup. Take a moment to get to know your skin. Listen to what it needs. This simple step makes your foundation search easier and more successful. Choose wisely for a flawless result. Now, let's find your exact color match. You need to know your skin tone and undertone. Skin tone is the surface color: fair, light, medium, tan, or deep. Undertone is the subtle hue beneath your skin: cool, warm, or neutral. Cool undertones have pink or blue hues. Warm have yellow or golden. Neutral is a mix. To find your undertone, check your wrist veins. Blue-purple means cool. Green means warm. Both means neutral. Silver jewelry flatters cool tones. Gold flatters warm. Both suit neutral. Knowing your tone and undertone takes the guesswork out of foundation shopping. Look for labels like cool ivory or warm beige to guide you. Understanding your unique color brings you closer to a seamless match. The right shade disappears into your skin. This step is key to a natural, flawless look. Be confident in your choice. Let's move on to testing foundation. Testing foundation is crucial. Never skip this step. Store lighting can be misleading, so always test on your jawline, not your hand. The jawline shows how the shade matches both your face and neck. Pick 3 close shades and stripe them side by side. Let them sit for a moment. One should start to disappear. Step outside to check the match in natural daylight. The right shade will be nearly invisible. Let the foundation dry. Some formulas darken as they set. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, then check again. If the shade still matches, you've found your winner. This patience saves you from mismatched foundation. The perfect match looks like your skin, only better. Don't rush. Testing is worth it. A little effort here pays off every day. Now let's choose your ideal formula. Foundation comes in liquid powder and stick forms. The best formula depends on your skin type and desired finish. Liquid foundations are versatile, offering dewy to matte finishes and sheer to full coverage. Hydrating liquids suit dry skin. Matte, oil-free formulas are great for oily skin. Powder foundations are quick, mattifying, and ideal for oily or combination skin. They provide light to medium coverage and a natural look. Stick foundations are creamy, portable, and offer medium to full coverage. They're great for touch-ups and precise application. Sticks suit normal to dry skin, but can be set with powder for oily types. Choose the texture that feels comfortable and works with your skin. The right formula enhances your look and lasts all day. Experiment to find your favorite. The right foundation formula is as important as the right shade. Let's learn how to apply it flawlessly. Application technique makes all the difference. Start with clean, moisturized skin for a smooth base. Primer can help foundation last longer and address specific concerns. Less is more. Start with a small amount, dotting it on the center of your face. Blend outward toward your hairline and jawline for a natural fade. Use fingers, a brush, or a damp sponge. Find what works best for you. The warmth of your hands can help foundation melt into your skin. Brushes offer more coverage. Sponges give a seamless, skin-like finish. Blend thoroughly, especially at the edges. Step back and check for any areas needing extra coverage. Add a little more, only where needed. Set with a light dusting of translucent powder for lasting wear. The goal is undetectable, natural-looking skin. Take your time blending for the best result. Now, let's talk about making foundation work for you. Foundation is about confidence and self-expression. Finding your match is a journey. Enjoy the process. There are no strict rules. Makeup is personal. Some days you'll want full coverage, other days just a tint, or none at all. The goal is to feel comfortable in your own skin. Foundation enhances, not hides, your natural beauty. Confidence is the best thing you can wear. Take care of your skin with a good routine. Cleanse, remove makeup, and moisturize daily. Healthy skin makes makeup look even better. Makeup and skincare work together for your best look. Choose what makes you feel like your best self. Embrace your style, whether natural or bold. Makeup is a creative outlet and a form of self-care. Use these tips to find your perfect foundation. You're beautiful and you're in control.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.